welcome to our advanced spoken English class. I'm here today to tell you about some topics which I will get on the spot. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
Tell me about yourself in short.
I am Neha. I'm a simple girl. I'm from Bhilai and my hometown is Bihar. I am 17 years old. My date of birth is 4 November 2001. My hobbies are to go to new places and to learn new things. My favorite color is black. I have a small family where we live, my father, my mother and me. My father is a businessman and my mother is housewife. So that's all about myself. Thank you.
Importance of English.
Importance of English. English is a very important language, as we know that English is an international language which we use for every single thing. Like we have always phone. We always keep phone with us and phone operates in English only. Or we can say every machine which we can see nearby us or far away from us are held in English only. The meetings which we go for our office which are held in English only, about 99% of meetings held in English only. English is a basic thing for a job also, because when we go for a job interview they always see our English first, how our fluency is in English, how we speak English. They don't see the grammar, but they see the fluency, the confidence. But English is a very easy language, we can say, but not too easy, but it is too good to speak. English is like a daily use thing, because when we see nearby things like something we use always in English only. Some villagers also they use English only, that words like pen, pencil, program, problems. They don't use the Hindi word of this. They always use English only. And the British who came here, they all taught us English and we are following them. And even 50 to 60% of Indians, they knows how to speak in English, and rest of the 40% they don't know, because they are backward now also. In India, when we go to the other state, in India only I am talking about, when we go to the other state like Chennai, south side, we go there, they don't know how to speak in Hindi, but they communicate in English. So if we will know the English, we can communicate with them, we can share our feelings with them, they can share their feelings with us. And when we go to the foreigns like Japan, China, we don't know their language, like we can't speak Chinese and we can't speak Japanese or French, Spanish, any language, but we can speak English and even they can also. So we can communicate with them in English. It will be good for us so that they could understand. If suppose I will go to China, I will ask them in Hindi, any route also, they will not understand. But if I will ask in English, they will understand and they will, even they can take me there if I will not know that place. And then we know that there are 400 billion people in this world, and about 1.6 billion people, they speak English. So when we learn English, we can communicate with 1.6 billion people. We can't communicate with everyone, but it will be good for us, for our reputation, for our personality. English is not a language, it develops our personality, confidence, the way of talking and everything. English is just too good. And we can say that when we speak English, our confidence level builds up, because when we go to the high class people or high class society or foreign countries, they don't speak in Hindi, they only use English. So to communicate with them, to build our personality or our level up to them, we should know English, because English is basic thing. Even the small children also know English. So English is very basic thing for us.
Next, advanced spoken English class.
Advanced spoken English class is a way or through where we can learn English. Here is our sir, D.K. Bhandari sir. He taught us English very nicely. He uses many tricks to learn, to make us understand. He teaches us in by hand or by any way, so that we could understand very clearly. And before I came here, I was not knowing too much English. I was knowing but not too much. But when I came here, I built up my confidence level. He helped me in building my confidence level. I'm speaking better English than before. and this class is in Belai and it's too good. I'm also a student of this class. There are many students, and not only in my age, there are small children, younger people, even the jobbers, means the people who do jobs and the housewife. Many people come here and learn how to speak English, how to build up the confidence level. English, as I have told, that English is not just a language, it builds up our confidence, our personality, and in this class everything builds up. And in this class we learn how to live, how to speak, how to build up confidence level, and this class is too good for anyone to learn English and to build personality.
About Bhandari sir.
D.K. Bhandari sir is my English teacher. Where in English Academy where I go, he teaches us. He uses many tricks to learn, to make us understand how we can learn anything. Like when I was learning in my school, I have learned from 6 years that the tense, but I was not knowing what the tense is in actual. But when I came here, I just learned that tense in just 5 minutes. Even I can't believe that time, that how I learned, but he taught me the way. I don't know how, but he used two good tricks, and I have learned in 5 minutes the whole tense. And he uses many things to make us learn, to make us understand. And he is a best teacher, I can say, because he do many things to make us learn, and many topics he teaches us. And he don't teach us just English, but also how to make confidence level and how to build up our personality.
About Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh is a place where I live. Chhattisgarh is known as a bowl of rice. We can say that Chhattisgarh is a great place or tourist place. The foreigners also visit here. There are so many places to visit. Chhattisgarh is a state in India. Chhattisgarh is in the center side behind Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur, and its district is Durg. I live in Bhilai. Bhilai is famous for Bhilai steel plant. Chhattisgarh is too good place where you can come, where you can stay and roam here and there. There are so many temples. There are so many places to roam, like Chitrakoot, Dev Baloda. There are so many temples. Actually, there are so many temples only, and the old places, not too new. One is Muktangan, where the cultures are shown. I can say that all type of dances are shown, like Sua dance. Many dances are there of Chhattisgarh only. The statues are shown there, how they dance and how they perform their culture. And there are many things and in Chhattisgarh, like Raipur is a metro city, it is famous. Nagpur is also famous for orange. Chhattisgarh is too good place. I think you should visit here and you will see how cool is this place.
About Bhilai.
Bhilai is the place where I live. Bhilai have so many sectors like Bhilai 1, Bhilai 2, Bhilai 3 and many more. I live in Bhilai 3. Bhilai 3, nearby Bhilai 3, there is a Bhilai steel plant which is famous for their steel. Not only for steel, there are many things which are made in Bhilai steel plant. It is nearby us only. And in India, it is all over famous for Bhilai steel plant. Many companies wants to do their partnership with this company. It is a government sector, Bhilai steel plant, and in Bhilai there are so many things, like so many gardens are there, many apartments are there where we can live. From Bhilai there are so many places nearby where we can go for a ride or for roaming, and nearby so many malls are there, shopping malls are there. We can do shopping there. There are so many hospitals are there which we get when we get sick. We go there for making us healthy, and there are so many classes to do. There are so many schools and many facilities are there in Bhilai.
About your school.
My school is in Bhilai only, that is Jyoti English Medium Higher Secondary School. that is actually in Charoda, but it comes under Bhilai only. My school is too good and it has 4 buildings. My school has a church. My school has a hospital. It is very famous and actually my school is also famous for a hospital. My school have two buildings that mainly mine. One I was reading till 1 to 5, and then I have learned 6 to 12 in another building. The new building built there, and it is too good. There is two big ground where the children play. There is a garden where small children like nursery and KG people they they play and they learn how to be in school, how to sit in school. My school teaches us small children also how to live in school, how to start their life by educating themselves. My school taught me many things. I am here today just because of my school, and my school is too good. It have 3 subjects in class 12: maths, biology, and commerce. And my school teaches us from nursery to class 12, and it has two sectors like Jyoti English Medium, and one is Vidya Jyoti in Kumhari. But I have learned from Jyoti English Medium.
That's it. Yes.